Namaste everyone, welcome to CamCult. Now the hot topic of smartphones these days, the camera. Samsung most certainly is a front runner when it comes to cameras. Let's look into what S26 can capture. After all, we are CamCult. S26 houses triple cameras, the main wide angle camera with 50 megapixels and optical image stabilization, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with super steady video. All three cameras are equipped with night mode and can record up to Ultra HD 60 frames per second, which gives enough flexibility to shoot in different scenarios. Only the main 50MP lens can record up to 8K 30fps videos, and the super steady shot is available only for the main and ultra wide cameras. While using super steady, you cannot use the night mode. If the lighting is not sufficient, then remember the telephoto lens won't get activated. Rather, the main 50MP camera will digitally zoom into 3x and record the video. A new feature called smooth zoom slider is added, but it's not really that smooth, especially when you're recording close-up shots, as it will switch between the wide and telephoto lens while zooming. Shifting focus between objects is now better than before. It's smooth and doesn't look like a sudden switch. Apple has mastered this art, Samsung has a long way to go. As all three cameras record Ultra HD 60fps, below samples are shot in same optimal resolution for better knowing their capabilities. The new feature horizontal lock is dope. You can now do yoga with your phone literally while recording video, but the lens will lock onto the same horizon. It works both for vertical and horizontal videos.
Wow, क्या scene है?
The camera layout remains the same, and you can find all your options and settings in the same place. It has Pro mode that works for all three lenses, and you can use it for videos as well as photos. It's good for professionals who know how to play around with the controls. Well, in Pro video mode, you can select whether the voice should be captured from the front or rear of the lens. You can also record using your Bluetooth headset. It allows you to record in log format, a raw huge file that helps creators edit at will. You may need an external SSD with high writing speed to use this option. You can also record all video formats in SSD directly with the help of Camera Assistant app. Watch my most comprehensive and extensive video on using SSDs with Samsung and iPhone devices, linked in the description. Slow-mo mode works for all the lenses and can record up to 240fps in Full HD and 120fps in Ultra HD. It performs great in daylight, but in low light it struggles. Portrait video works in Ultra HD or Full HD up to 30fps only and works on 1x or 2x zooms, but not in ultra wide. This is good for capturing or recording interviews or monologues, but you will see a little softened edges around the portrait objects, so don't expect pro level output. Single take feature lets you record one shot for a desired time, and the AI breaks that shot into multiple types of shots. Dual recording helps you record travel logs, etc. with one frame from the selfie camera and one from the rear camera. Another interesting feature is Expert RAW. It's almost like Pro mode with more options. In this, you can also capture astrophotos by enabling your location. A little gimmicky but good to show off during your hill station trips. Pro tip: single take feature, dual recording and night mode are hidden by default. If you want them, you can download the Camera Assistant app from Samsung and enable those options manually. Thank me later. Photos taken in daylight are phenomenal, little contrasty but stunning. Even in night mode, what Samsung refers as nightography, it captures stunning photos and videos, but in some places you will feel like things are overexposed. Shots are not consistent, little granular, and the AI's attempt to soften them will over soften them at times. The focal depth is excellent. You can get closer to your objects, and even the minute objects like wires etc. can be focused, unlike iPhone's high-end series. You can also capture macro photos, but unlike iPhones, it does not capture macro photos with the ultra-wide lens. Rather, you need to zoom in with 3x lens and capture the pictures. It has inbuilt scan features. If you are scanning for a document, you can capture multiple pages in the scan, edit them, remove the fingers with AI, change folded corners, even save them as PDF. It's good to have it inbuilt. Here are a few photo samples taken in different environments and for different purposes. To conclude, overall the cameras are really good for beginners, intermediate social media users, good for Instagram, Facebook and making some basic YouTube videos. It has tons of customizations and features to play around with. But do not expect pro level outputs like the S26 Ultra or high-end iPhones. If you already have S24 or S25, then I advise you not to upgrade just for the camera. Except some software tweaks, there really isn't a significant upgrade worth your wallet. But don't base your buying decision entirely on AI because these are software and can be added to any kind of phone in the future. In the real world, we also might not use them on a regular basis. Hence, always focus on the hardware part and OS updates and value for money. Hope this detailed review helped you make your mind. We have put a lot of effort into this, so please do share this video and subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.